Recently, I found this really neat thing on Amazon. Cool little LED light strings. 6-pack for just $10. I'll link to it below. I thought I could put these lights to good use, so I ordered them and started brainstorming. And that's when it hit me. A Spider-Man mask from Infinity War that lights up from the inside using one of the light strings. And then it was decided, and here is how I did it. How I made an LED light spider mask that lights up from inside. And how you can do it at home. Okay, we are rolling. So, about the plan. By the way, the audio is probably going to be really crap because I'm using a different camera for this bit. But anyway, the plan. I'm thinking that, so these are templates. You can print them out in a link below. Print them out, trace them on cardboard, and cut those cardboard pieces out. And then all you want to do is fold and glue the joints like this. Alright, so when you are done with that, you're going to have two pieces, and when you bind them together, you're gonna have something like this. It's pretty cool, pretty good, decent cardboard Spider-Man mask. Fits on nicely. So now we do the eye bits. I'll do the red overlay on it after the eyes. So what I'm thinking is that plastic sheets, and then I use sandpaper to diffuse it so that it's sort of blurry-ish, not clear. And then I'll just use black paper as the outline. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do it. And when that is done, you will now have two pretty cool eye pieces. And now we are going to, before we attach that, we're going to add the red fabric. I have some red fabric. I'm going to make it overlay onto this. I'm going to cut the holes and sort of tighten them over it. Then add the eyes. Then probably do some black markings. And of course, I'm going to film me doing all of this. And then it'll pretty much be done. And then I'm going to figure out how to make it light up, because that's my #1 rule here. It's a lot cooler when it lights up. Let's go. that is literally pretty much all I did. It looks really sick. Yeah, I finished all of the black pen stuff, and then I attached this elastic band right here. But really, you could use anything, string, yarn, anything to keep it on your head. And inside, this is an important part, I put the LED strings, which again, you can order from Amazon, the link is below, just around the lights. And the effect is actually really cool. I have put the switch up here, so all you gotta do is this. The visibility isn't great, but I mean, it's mostly for show. I can still see through this, so yeah, that's nice. This is probably going to be one of my favorite projects by far. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for what I should build next, feel free to fly those ideas below in the comments. And if you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon, you could DM me on Discord, join the Gadgetsmith Discord server, follow me on Instagram, or even buy some newly released Gadgetsmith merchandise. All linked to in the description below. Alright, till next time, peace.